Hi everyone, I'm back for the love of tech, and what do we have here? A package. Hope this is something that I think it is in here, and I'll be posting in the film. Let's see. An unboxing, but I will never do. I'll be doing it. You can see that? A ZeroLemon battery. How cool? Hopefully really cool that it works exactly how I want it to be working. So we're going to open this up. Comes like this. The case with their labeling. Kind of cute, I think. The little lemon. This is ZeroLemon down there. I thought it was kind of firm. Thought it would be maybe a little firmer in mine, because it is holding a case, but I'll see how it works. Got the battery in this box. Oops. Provide you with a 5-star review. I always have battery issues. I kill my Note 2 within less than 8 hours. And that's just talking on the phone and having my emails on. And I don't talk on the phone that long. Just, you know, for a little bit. I put this on. Wow. I've seen videos of other people doing this, and why does this seem so much bigger than what I thought it would be? As you can see, this is gives you your battery maintenance. Got to charge it for 12 hours, and then I guess I'll make a review of how long I can, or how fast I can kill this battery. This one. Oops. A little issue problem putting this on. What? Don't look at the booklet. Okay. Just had to put it like a normal battery, but the packaging just, you know, overwhelmed me a bit. Put the case on. Sure, it's all. Huh. I'm kind of liking this case. It gives it a little bit of thickness, but not too much more than my famous ballistic case that I talk in every single my videos. I talk about every single video. But wow, it has the like grippy rubberish feeling. I'm liking this. Cutouts, they give big enough cutouts for headphones, which my other case kind of lacked on that. so I had to use a standard type of headphones. The Shure headphones do not fit in the smaller hole, but this one, it fits perfect. I haven't tried it, but I can just eye it. It's very similar, and this one works just fine. Then nice cutouts. Can pull out the S Pen, no problem. No sharp corners to feel. And that's the ZeroLemon battery.